Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today, I'm extremely excited to share this video with you. We're in part 3 in the series of linen closet organization. Now, week 1, you saw me fold the fitted sheets. Week 2, you saw me fold and roll the towels. And today, week 3, we're doing a final recap where I'll show you not just where I keep the towels right behind me, but where I keep all the sheets and other towels here in our home. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Please stay tuned to the end because I have a new journey that I'd love to share with you, and I'd love for you to come along with me on the journey, but I won't tell you about that until the very end. So let's get started on this part of the video. This is what the bottom portion of this linen closet looks like right now. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking everything out of this closet and reorganizing the entire bottom area of this closet. This is the top section, which you've seen so many times. And then we'll be organizing the bottom section in just a few more minutes. I've taken out all the sheets and I have them on one of the beds. So now what I'm going to do is to repack those sheets inside the cupboard here. The only things that I put back in here already are just some of the washcloths, but all the sheets have been taken out, and I'll repack those in just a few more seconds. I have all the sheets and pillowcases on this bed here. What I've actually done is all the king size sets I've used red ribbons on, and then on the queen size set I've used gray ribbons on, and then on the twin sets, those I'm just going to put into the trunks and put inside the various rooms. So these are just the main ones that will go back inside that cabinet. Of course, what I did, we have a lot of extra pillowcases, so I just put them all together, the extras, and then I'll put a ribbon around those so we can keep those together. And that's pretty much it. The ribbons, of course, were really inexpensive. The red ones I purchased for 25 cents at Michael's. The gray ones are from the dollar store, and the other colors are ones that I had just a mixture of colors before. What I've decided to do is just make it just one color for each set of sheets. For example, in the past, what I would do is just write on a little piece of paper what was inside the package. Like in this case was one king fitted, one king flat, and 2 pillowcases. So instead of me doing that, now all I do is the ribbons will distinguish. If it's for the king size bed, then it's red ribbon. If it's for the queen size bed, then it's the gray ribbon. And of course, the ones that I'll put inside the trunk are just the ones for the twin beds. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to pack everything back into the cabinet. We'll take a look at it in just a few more seconds. This is our linen closet reveal. Both top and bottom. Top for the towels and bottom for the sheets and pillowcases. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you'll subscribe to the channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And don't forget, we do have something to talk about. So let's talk about that right now. Thank you so much for staying until the very end, because I wanted you to be one of the very first to hear this. Now, for the last 4.5 years, you've watched me declutter, clean and organize our home. And so the next journey that I'll be embarking on is minimalism. So starting next week, it's going to be a brand new series on this channel. Not so much organizing, because I think I've organized everything I possibly can in our home. And so it's going to be minimizing the things that we have in our home. I'd love to take you along with me on this journey, and I'd love to get your thoughts on this as well. So come back next week, see what I'm up to, give me your thoughts. Until then, goodbye, and of course, good luck.